Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the river Maas, of De Maas. In English, this would be the Meuse. But this is the way us Dutchies say De Maas. De Maas. There is no emphasis. De Maas. All the letters will be pronounced. De Maas. I'm going to cross the river Maas. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!